Just a minute, Mad Dog Vachon. I have been looking high and low for you, and finally...
What are you doing here? Who told you I was here?
I had to run you down, Mad Dog. Obviously, some things that we've had to talk about. You've been totally unavailable. Mad Dog, may I ask, what in the world are you doing back here?
This is for my friend, Jerry Fatwell.
What is this, Mad Dog?
This is going to be special delivery. It's a pine box.
Well,
you know what they use a pine box for?
I've got a good idea.
Who told you I was there in the first place?
Well, I can't get into that. Mad Dog Vachon.
You know what? I've waited a long time for something like this. You know, there's something that bothers you, that you could no longer live with it. But I've think about this for a long time. When Jerry Blackwell put me out of wrestling for 2.5 years, and I had to work in the mines to make my body strong. I thought about this when I was pounding with a pick. And I said to myself, deep down in the mines, deep down when it was dark and cool, I said, wouldn't that be a nice place for someone like Blackwell?
Well.
That's where I had the idea of building this pine box. Taboot.
Taboot. What does
taboot? That's the word in Arabic for this. You know, sometime, my friends, there's something that's gonna give. This world is not big enough for both of us. This is a tent match coming up. And one of us will have to leave this world. Remember something, Blackwell. All the money in the world that the Sheik give you, you can't take it with you.
He may be an apprentice carpenter, but I guarantee you he is a seasoned ring veteran. The death match, Jerry Blackwell has to meet this man. Holy...
Ladies and gentlemen, the main event for the world's heavyweight wrestling championship. 2 out of 3 falls. Tout d'abord, first from Montreal, weighing 238 pounds, de Montréal à 238 livres, l'aspirant, the challenger, Maurice Mad Dog Vachon. Et son adversaire ce soir, his opponent tonight, de France, à 228 livres, from France, weighing 228 pounds, now a Canadian citizen, maintenant citoyen canadien, the world's champion, le champion du monde. Everybody knows him, tout le monde le connaît, Étoile Carpentier. Arbitre, the referee, Omer Marchessault.
All right, well, this is it. This is the match for the heavyweight wrestling championship of the world, currently held by Edouard Carpentier, being challenged here by Maurice Vachon. And this is Jack Kern, along with Ray Boucher. We're sitting at ringside, and once again, we have Eric Pomeroy with us from Newfoundland, sitting in on the action as well. And this really should be some kind of a bout.
It should be something, because Maurice Mad Dog is really in a mood to win a championship. He knows all the tricks. He's very, very skillful, and he doesn't stop at anything. Eric, he's a pretty tough wrestler.
Well, I'll say this. I wrestled Mad Dog Vachon. There he goes. See how he goes? He'll take advantage of anything. This is why he was the world's champion. He wants it back. He don't care what he's got to do to win it, believe me.
Well, I'll tell you something right now, that Edouard Carpentier, the champion...
Hey, there's a pile driver. Now, that hole is barred in many, many different parts of the... Hey.
There it is, the first fall. The first fall by 25 seconds. Maurice Mad Dog Vachon is the winner.